Wow. All right. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much. God bless you. Huh?
Never give me money.
Money kwa? Money for it? I call you.
This man.
Eh? What do you mean by I never give you money? I call you.
I don't understand.
See this man.
These are used by the people. About give me money, Joe.
I dey come out from gate. You do miss make I enter. Now you might enter now because like this now my future they run past me. Understand? I have to pursue my future. Which kind of money? What are you talking about? Like, I know they talk like that. You have to say. See, calm down. Let me tell you. Do you know who you are talking to? Money man. You go slap money man.
Will you keep quiet?
You have to say I call you to be a separate issue. I call you. See this man. What do you want to do? Ayana, let me see your power today. Okay, see, calm down. Hey God. This one they hold me for trouble, okay? See,
give me money.
Okay, calm down, let me talk. See, okay, let me talk to you. I know they go and ask around, I know they find trouble. This man is touching you. You collect my phone. Hey! I gotta leave my Wetin I do you? Na me call you. You carry my phone they go. Hey, God, wetin I do this man now? Wetin I do this man now? Wetin I do? I call her. I dey come out. I say enter now. You don't carry my phone.
Why?
So this will stay for this school. I don't like her.